Can you sow tomato seeds in February in the UK? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be talking about tomato seeds. Now, me personally, I wouldn't start tomato seeds off in February as there's not enough warmth in the greenhouse to help them germinate and to look after them and keep them growing well. And yes, you can start them off on the windowsill, but I see so many people starting tomato seeds off on the windowsill and they'll grow leggy. And leggy means that they stretch towards the light because they struggle and they don't grow well at all. And people end up having to sow them again or go out and purchase their own tomato plants and start from scratch. So me personally, I will start my tomato seeds off from March, usually at middle of March towards end of March. And I always get a great crop of tomatoes from starting them then. Like, I'm up north, so it's a bit warmer in March up north than it is down south. So yeah, I will be starting all my tomatoes off then. If I'm starting some off in February, the only ones that I would start off would be the beefsteak tomatoes, because they might need a bit longer growing period to help ripen them, because they'll take longer to ripen. So that's the only ones that I'd risk. All the cherry ones, everything like that, and the Alicante and the Moneymaker, I will start off in March time, and we'll get some great crops from them this year. So make sure you join us and follow us to see when we're going to be sowing all our tomatoes. We've got so many varieties of tomatoes to grow this year. Now, I've gone for weird and wonderful tomatoes. I'm one of these that don't like to stick to the original type varieties. Now, we've got some purple ones, we've got some black ones, we've got some yellow and red ones, we've got speckled ones, we've got some great varieties to try this year. So I'm looking forward to sharing that all with you. And obviously we'll be sharing the videos of when we're sowing them all and when we're potting them all on as well. Obviously, like, if you were to start them off in February, you'd be potting them all up and you'd be struggling for space for keeping them potted on until it gets warm enough in your greenhouse to look after them and get enough space. So think about that as well. If you start them off too early, you might not be able to find somewhere to store all the pots of individual tomato plants until it's warm enough in the greenhouse, because if it's cold, it'll just kill them and it'll damage the plants and the roots and they won't grow very well at all. So personally, don't start your tomatoes off this month. Just wait until March time and you will get some great crops from them, as obviously new growers are eager to get growing and get started. I was like that in my first few years of growing. I used to read the seed packets and it used to say start them off in January, February time, and I used to be like, yes, I can get started now, I can get growing. But no, wait until it gets a bit warmer. And obviously if you're down south, yeah, fair enough, it sometimes is warm enough to start these seeds off. But me personally, I always start all my seeds off in March and I get a great crop from everything that I grow sometimes. But yeah, hold your horses, wait until March. That's when we're going to be sowing all our tomato seeds and we'll be sharing our journey of growing them. So make sure you drop us a follow and you'll be able to see when we start all our seeds off. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.